and welcome to the brand new episode of Saji's Travel Diaries. Hope you're doing safe. We also hope you liked our previous video on Oberstdorf. Today we are exploring the very famous old town of Nuremberg. We cross the river Pegnitz, take a stroll along the Fleischbrücke, explore the Hauptmarkt and walk up to the Imperial Castle. So then, let's get going. Nuremberg or Nürnberg is the second largest city after Munich in Bavaria and 14th largest in Germany. It lies in the East Franconian region of Bavaria on the banks of the river Pegnitz. About 170 km north of Munich, Nuremberg lies on the high-speed rail line that connects to Berlin and is just about an hour away by train. Also connected by several pan-European highways, it takes just about an hour and a half from Munich to reach there by road, with plenty of rest areas to keep you refreshed. If you're traveling there by car, be sure to look for a park house that is open 24 hours, as a parking spot in Old Town of Nuremberg is not easy to come by. Having just found our ideal parking spot, we start exploring the Old Town, or as lovingly called everywhere in Germany, die Altstadt. The medieval Old Town with the mighty Imperial Castle is a sight worth seeing. Heading straight out of the parking garage, we cross the Fleischbrücke or the meat bridge. It is a single arch stone bridge built in the late 1590s and is one of the many important bridges across the Pegnitz. Famous coffee shops, cafes offering views over the bridge have their canopies set at the right places. A setting that is certain to draw even the not so hungry to sit down and grab a bite. A short walk further down the bridge, we reach the Hauptmarkt or the main market of Nuremberg. It is the largest weekly market in Nuremberg with over 50 stalls open Monday through Saturday. It is at this very square the Christmas market is held every year and is one of the most beautiful ones across Europe. The majestic Frauenkirche in the east stands as a wonderful backdrop to the market that sells fresh local produce. The Rathaus or the City Hall is also situated at the main square along with the Tourist Information Center waiting to help you get around. Also situated on the square is the Schöner Brunnen, or simply Beautiful Fountain. It is a 19-meter high Gothic spire that features 40 colorful figures. It represents the glory days of the Holy Roman Empire in the view of the world. The actual fountain on the square is a replica of the 14th century monument, with the original one safely secured in the Germanic National History Museum. The fence surrounding the fountain houses a brass ring which supposedly brings luck to the ones who spin it. And out of nowhere, Rayansh finds a little friend to play with near the fountain. Continuing further along the Hauptmarkt, we walk to the Imperial Castle. A set of fortified buildings from the medieval ages showcasing the might of the Roman Empire. Today, the castle and its walls are very famous for the breathtaking views that it offers of the city below. The walls are also a hotspot for those looking to capture the sun setting over the city's skyline. Excellent bus connectivity takes you to the old town from the other parts of the city. But if you want to add more flexibility in terms of exploring on foot, electric scooters like these are to be found on streets waiting just for you. The Hauptmarkt district of Nuremberg is highly popular among both locals and tourists as a cynosure for shopping with top brands and malls. Under the lights, it magically transforms from a medieval setting to a more modern landscape. Upscale restaurants, food trucks, popular fast food chains, and the world-famous Nürnberger Lebkuchen or gingerbread complete the missing puzzle of the main square. Heading out to one such place for dinner, we call it a day and drive back home with fond memories. We hope you enjoyed Nuremberg. If you haven't already watched our previous videos, do check them out over the links on the top of the video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications and updates. Signing off for Saji's Travel Diaries. Until next time, travel, make memories.